Muthekania muhunjia wigatwo bururi-ini wa Kenya uria oikaine ta Muthee Kiengei riu ni ariketie kwiyumiria ng'enda-ini cia ukinyaniria na kuonania maithori make kuri mwanake umwe uria ateithirie nigetha akorwo agikirwo maguru mangi. Tutana kumenyithia kiria gitumite Muthee Kiengei eyumiria na gukorwo ena marakara maingi, no tukuria na gitio utuike wa subscribe, like, comment na ndukariganirwo kuhinya ka notification bell ugakoragwo wi wa mbere kwamukira mwago wa mugikuyu. Muthekania muhunjia wigatwo uria oikaine ta Pastor Ben kana ritwa ringi Muthee Kiengei riu ni arikitie kwiyumiria kuria ng'enda-ini cia ukinyaniria na kuonania maithori make na marakara make kuri mwanake na MCA umwe kuria mwena wa Kiambu uria MCA arauga ahuthirite mbica cia mwanake umwe uria ateithirie nigetha akorwo agikira maguru make, na MCA uyo kuringana na Kiengei akoretwo akihuthira mbica ici gwika kampeni ciake kuria mwena wa Gatuanyaga mwena wa Kiambu. Na Kiengei kuhitukira page yake ya Facebook ni ngumuquote uria areyumiririe na kuga akionania marakara ma MCA uyo. Watu hawana shukurani kweli. We raised over 800,000 bought this young man a rake and the rest that he start a small business, but today he decided to be used by an aspiring MCA in Gatuanyaga ward, Kiambu County, why campaign using charity helped innocent people. Honorable Jakuma hau Muthee Kiengei agithie na mbere kuonania marakara make ni apostete caption iria mwanake uyu uria wateithirio gwikirwo maguru ahuthirite akigathiriria musiaca uyu, na ni ngumuquote, it has been 2 years from when I was amputed my right leg. When I was released from hospital, the first person to meet with was Honorable Jakuma. He promised me that he will end up ensuring that I'm walking with my 2 legs. We have been talking with her and the day has arrived when I'm walking with my 2 legs. He has been accompanying me in hospital for a good checkup of my prosthetic leg. This is the kind of leadership that we want. No one is like Jakuma. He has been assisting disabled people, the old people, the orphans, and so far he has managed to take over 20 orphans children to school. The vision that he has for Gatuanyaga, no one can believe it. Change begins with you. If you need a better Gatuanyaga, make sure that you vote for Jakuma. Macio nimo marakara maria Muthee Kiengei eyumiritie kuria ng'enda-ini cia ukinyaniria. Hihi mawoni maku ni mariku kuringana na ndeto ino ya musiaca kuhuthira mbica cia uria uteithitio gwikirwo maguru agogo campaign kuria mwena wa Gatuanyaga? Tutigire mawoni maku hau comment section ine, na guku tukariganirwo ni kwa African CN mwago wa mugikuyu.